am not going to show you the whole video yet. However, I'll show you in today's video how you can create something similar with the help of DJI Osmo Mobile 6 and Insta360 camera. I was using Insta360 X3. I'll take you through camera settings, how to work with sunlight, where is the best position, what gimbal modes, and how to find the shots. The end result will be played at the end as always. And as a bonus, I created a LUT for this snowy scene, which you can download for free. Link is in the video description. VIP members will get the whole set, including LUTs for Insta360 camera. For the new faces, ahoy, my name is Zdenka. If you are into photography and video, consider subscribing. This video is filmed in a conservation area located in Ontario, Canada. I chose to film with my smartphone and DJI Osmo Mobile 6 gimbal, and as drones are prohibited in this location, my second option was Insta360 X3 camera for two reasons. Once I use it with the extra long invisible selfie stick, I can get somewhat aerial shots as high as I can reach. And I can get to places where I normally cannot get without falling into a water. Let's start with the DJI Osmo Mobile 6 settings. Everything was filmed in DJI Mimo 4K resolution, 60 frames per second frame rate, in automatic mode, as this is beginner-friendly video. Most of the final shots I kept in real speed, however, some of them were slowed down. The same settings I kept with the Insta360 X3, 4K resolution, 60 frames per second. In the final video, some clips were slowed down, others I left in real speed. When you're filming with two different cameras, the footage usually ends up looking a bit different, so then you need to tweak the white balance and colors in a video editing software to match it up. The most beautiful footage you will get either when you film around sunrise or sunset, on overcast days, or after a major snowstorm, which was my case. Where you position yourself is the most important part. If you choose to have sun in the back, smartphones tends to make the footage look flat. It is good for some shots, such as overall shots. If you will be filming details or clips where you film through objects, you have foreground in the shot, it's always best to film against the sun to see sun streaks, or have the sun slightly on the side, but still facing you, especially if you film with the snow. You will get the sparkle, which just makes the snow pop. Overcast days for the snow are not the best. The video will look dull and flat. Here's a clip where the sun was hidden behind clouds. Here's the same shot a little bit later once the sun was out. Do you see the difference? Let's take a look at the first spot where I took several shots. Moving forward, moving to the side. You can use tilt lock mode or lock mode for such shots. Tilt lock mode will allow you to freely move the gimbal to the side. If you choose lock mode, you can move whatever direction you want, but the view will always be the same. I chose tilt lock mode. Notice the sun on the right, creating these beautiful shadows across the road. To bring more dynamic shots, I optioned for this simple shot through branches. Let's take a look at this second spot. It's an ideal location to film with both smartphone and Insta360 camera. Film a variety of shots, so in the post you can choose only the best ones. Sun position is slightly on the left facing me. Here I'm filming with a telephoto lens in follow mode, and another shot is moving sideways using tilt follow mode. The same shot, but this time very close to the ground, catching a little bit of a foreground. Look at the snow, how it's just glowing. Let's take a look at shots with Insta360 X3. I was able to get as close to the water as possible to get this unique side shot. Next shot is from a low angle all the way up. I also created more dynamic video in Insta360. First, I selected a natural view, and once I got high, I selected a wide view. The view was slowly getting wider as I was going up. Lastly, backing up shots through branches are always interesting. Large locations, such as this lake, always looks better from above. That is why I started with Insta360 shots. Here I have to make a note that you might notice in the footage, either with Insta360 or with the DJI Osmo Mobile 6, that it might not be completely steady. Because walking in the snow is not the same thing as you are walking on a flat surface. If you are walking in a deep snow, when you make a step, sometimes you just literally fall through. So you get extra movements like this. Sometimes I even did accidentally move to the side. So keep that in mind. It's not the fault of the gimbal, it's literally me, because it's not easy to work on the snow. All clips you are seeing are not color graded yet. Here you can see the difference between Insta360 footage and iPhone. Here are some walking shots with a smartphone in tilt follow mode. Wide shot. And telephoto shot, panning very slowly. This wide shot was filmed also in tilt follow mode. The final B-roll would not be complete if I didn't include any close-up shots. They always look the best when you directly face the sun. I left the focus unlocked here. And the same goes with these detailed shots. As I was walking, I noticed this little river right beside the road, perfect for an Insta360 camera. First of all, I can reach the water and follow the stream or walk against the stream. It is best to shoot in both directions. You will decide later on what is more suitable for your project. These shots for Insta360 are perfect, as this action camera actually prefers the sun more from the side and not directly in the shot, unless you have something between the camera and the sun. Always make sure you don't see your equipment in a shadow on the snow. Another option would be bringing the exposure down in the settings, but it would be too dark for shots like this, where you need to see the details of the water. Here is a perfect example of what to avoid, what not to do. First of all, the water splashed the camera, and the sun is way too much in the shot, ending up with heavily overexposed footage as a whole. Check lenses often for splashes and bring the exposure down in the settings. This spot offered a different variety of shots. Classic walking shots with standard lens, filmed in tilt follow mode. Side shots through the trees in the same mode. If you film the same shot with Insta360 camera and place the camera very close to the tree, you will get this ultra-wide angle look, which is completely different. These branches covered with ice and snow offer more detailed shots, again shot directly against the sun. And this spot offers more opportunities for backing up shots filming through snowy branches. This is the last spot to grab this overall shot, and now it's time to edit the footage, properly calibrate. Again, free LUT can be found below the video in a video description, as well as link to the music service I'm using in this video and all my videos on my channel. You will get 1 month free through that link. And now, let's play the final B-roll. Give it a thumbs up if you liked today's video and subscribe for more. If you have any questions, comments, or simply want to say hi or ahoy, you can leave it below. I read it all and I always respond. See you in the next video. Ciao. Ahoy. It's such a cold day. Okay, so I almost lost my microphone. Almost lost my microphone. Okay.
Can't get much better than this, can you?
Oh, beautiful weather, and it's very warm as well.
Oh, the sun makes it so beautiful.
They were first saying that it's gonna be very windy, and there's no wind now.
Nothing.
There's nothing.
It's great.
Beautiful day.
There's a lot of negatives, but there's a lot of positives.
Absolutely. Enjoy your walk. Can't get that thing off. No. There we go. That's the only thing which bugs me around the Insta. Recording. It's a workout. It's a workout. I think that my coffee cup has my name on it. I actually do have a coffee cup with my name on it. You can also get it in my store. Yeah.